Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add tags and titles to your videos using VN Video Editor. So adding tags and titles to your videos in VN is very simple and it will make your videos more engaging and informative. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to help you add tags and titles. So first, you can just launch the VN Video Editor and create a new project on open an existing one. Here I'm going to just start a new project by clicking on the plus icon and tap on new project and choose the video. Okay, so for example, I'm going to edit this videos right here. You can tap on next. Now you can just after you open the video, so this is the videos that I want to edit, and next you can just go to the tags tool, tap on tags in here and tap on tags again. Now in here first, if you want to add titles, you can see in the text tool there are this default options. This is where you this one title, this is where you can add a title template to your videos. Here I'm going to just use this template, tap on view more to see more options and choose the one that you like for your title. For example, I'm going to go with this one. Let's try again. This one's right here. Okay, so you can change the content of the text by tap on edit. Here, for example, I'm going to just write the name of this place. This one right here. Click on the check icon and this is the result. Now I'm going to add another tags in here. For example, I'm going to start here. Can tap on the text tool again and choose tags. I'm going to just go back, and in here I'm going to, let's say, add a subheading in here. Okay, for example, like this. You can change the font by clicking on this font options. Change the font to how you like it and adjust the size. Change the font color and also the text style like this, and also adjust the alignment, like the text style, alignment, keys, position. And if you're done, you can just tap on the check icon. And if you want to, you can also add motions to the text by clicking on it and tap on motion and choose the motions that you want. Just the duration, click on the check icon, and this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. That's how you can add tags and titles to your videos in VN. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.